I'm doing an unboxing of the Passi-Tester 2026 stainless steel passivation test kit. This kit is complete. Everything you need is in here. Behind the foam is the instruction manual. This is the Passi-Tester 2026. It's the tester part. And you can see from the display, it measures voltage. Here is the Passi probe. And inside the probe is a solution. And there's a little white tip that can be replaced from time to time when need be. This is the alligator clip. And this makes contact with your metal that you're testing. You could either clip it on or you can press it against the metal. Either way is fine. Here is the Passi pads. These actually sit on the metal that you're testing, and then the probe makes contact with the pad. This is solution 17. This is used to moisten the pad. This is solution 45. 45 gets dispensed with this pipette, and it's used to fill the probe. And just slide the closure down, and there's a filling hole, and you could put fresh solution inside the probe. These are replacement tips and sleeves. They're heat shrinkable sleeves. Each one of these tips can be used on the end if the tip gets missing or damaged. Thank you for watching the unboxing.